Sibakin na raw ang dalawang kinatawan ng gobyerno, government peace panel. Yan ang panawagan ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano kay Pangulong Aquino. Tingin ni Cayetano, labis daw kasi ang pagkiling ng mga ito sa interes ng More Islamic Liberation Front. May news to go si Ivan Mayrina.
Sa ngayon, walang magagawa ang pamahalaan para pilitin ang MILF na ilabas at isuko sa gobyerno ang mga MILF combatant na kasama sa Mama Sapano encounter noong January 25. Ang sabi ng Government Peace Panel na nakikipag-usap sa MILF, kailangang hintayin ang mga reklamong isasampa ng Department of Justice sa mga nakasagupa ng mga police commando.
Meron ba tayong demand ngayon sa MILF na isurrender nila yung mga nasangkot sa pagpatay ng 44 SAF members, lalo higit na lumabas na yung medical legal report na para bagang pinaslang ng malapitan?
What we have put forward is full accountability. With regard to surrendering of persons, I guess we will need to await for DOJ to say who exactly is it that they want to be surrendered and on what charges. Because until that is done, we do not know whom to demand for.
We have no coercive power at this point to demand that they surrender those involved.
Dumalo sa Senate hearing si Mohager Iqbal, ang Chief Peace Negotiator ng MILF. Ani Iqbal, malapit nang matapos ang investigasyon nila sa Mama Sapano incident.
The investigation of the MILF regarding the Mama Sapano incident is not yet finished. But I think it's around 90% finished because there are issues that would require further validation on the ground. And aside from that, Your Honor, we cannot release it because our chairman is not around. He's in Saudi Arabia.
Pero hanggang sa ngayon, halos isang buwan na matapos ang Mama Sapano encounter, lumalabas sa malaki ang kinalaman ng koordinasyon kung bakit nauwi sa 44 ang mga komando na nasawi. Kinwestiyon ng mga senador ang Joint AFP-PNP Operational Guidelines for the Ad Hoc Joint Action Group. Ang sabi ng DOJ, hindi malinaw sa ngayon ang konteksto ng probisyong ito. Kung pwedeng wala ng koordinasyon kung high-value target ang operasyon o dapat pa rin mag-coordinate kahit sa loob ng 24 oras bagong operasyon.
If we go by the very language and the tenor of that particular provision, it would seem that the exception is what is stated, that except for high value targets, the 24-hour rule will not apply. But that can also be interpreted to mean that in case of high value targets, it need not be 24 hours, but maybe less than 24 hours.
Or maybe no coordination in cases where the military or PNP feel that their operations will be endangered.
Exactly, sir.
That's
So,
right.
and I think it goes to the intent. So we need to ask the framers of that particular agreement.
It's very clear to me. The general rule is 24-hour notice. Kaya nga may exception. Burahin mo yung exception. Ano matitira? 24 hours.
We have had a study since 1997 up to 2012. Because of that rule, we have 256 killed and 570 people have been maimed because of no coordination.
Kaya ang pangamba daw ni Cayetano, mauulit at mauulit ang Mama Sapano incident.
Madam Chair, while we cuddle terrorists, we will always have Mama Sapano until the government says that enough is enough.
I believe if we will insist that there is no coordination, we will have Mama Sapano incident again.
Dahil sa umano'y labis sa pagkiling sa interes ng MILF, nanawagan si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano sa Pangulo na sibakin na sa Government Peace Panel sina Secretary Ging Deles at Professor Miriam Coronel Ferrer. Patuloy namin kinukunan ng pahayag si Deles pero si Ferrer sinabing nasa Pangulo na raw ito.
Ivan Mayrina, GMA News.